What's going on, everybody? It is Sneed from Sneed Mobile Tech and the JGTechBlog, and today we've got a great video for you. This is a JGTechBlog exclusive. So what we have is a new smartphone which is being released by Metro by T-Mobile, and as of right now I believe it's not officially released, but it's going to be released very, very soon. So the JGnation, you guys are the first to know about the LG Aristo 3 Plus. What I want to do first is go through all the specifications, go through some of the features, then we'll talk pricing, and then we'll see if this upgrade or if this device is something you would consider. So the LG Aristo 3 Plus, while not officially released just yet, is going to be available on Metro by T-Mobile. So for specs, 5-inch display, 720p LCD display with 16:9 aspect ratio. For camera technology, for the rear shooter, you're getting a 13 megapixel sensor with flash and autofocus. And then for the selfie shooter, you're getting a 5 megapixel with auto shoot feature. In terms of the SoC or the processor, you're getting a Qualcomm made Snapdragon 425, which is clocked at 1.4 gigahertz. And for storage, you're getting 16 gigs of onboard storage with the option to add 32 gigs of SD card support. And for RAM, you're getting 2 gigs of RAM. Now in terms of battery size, it's coming in at a sizable 2,410 milliamp hours, which based on all the other specifications should be able to get you through a day, no problem. In terms of Lte connectivity, you've got all the full band support for Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile there. With the addition of band 71 Lte support, which is great, this will get you access to T-Mobile's 600 megahertz frequency spectrum, which offers very, very good expanded Lte coverage, including rural areas and enhanced building penetration. Metro Play is also preloaded on this device, which can get you some additional features and things you might be able to take advantage of. So also we have a rear fingerprint scanner placed on the back of the phone, which is awesome. I think that's a perfect place to put a fingerprint scanner. And of course, with all of these features, it seems to be a pretty good feature set. Now in terms of cost, which is the big piece here. Manufactured recommended selling price for this is $149.99, and with a Metro Instant Rebate, could save you $80, which brings the cost down to $69.99. So that is a great value. I think it's an excellent bargain. Performance to cost is definitely there, something that I think a lot of people are going to consider greatly when they make this purchase. So you guys let me know what you think of this particular device. If you are going to be upgrading anytime soon, will you consider this as a possible option for your next upgrade? You guys can let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. So if you appreciated this exclusive Metro by T-Mobile video, please like and share this video, and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel for more and set for notifications to stay up to date on all things Metro, Boost, Cricket, and all things wireless. I think I'll leave it at that. Thank you guys for taking time to watch. This is Sneed from Sneed Mobile Tech and the JGTechBlog, and I will see you guys on the next video.